Everybody is looking for the ultimate showdown in the animal kingdom. Well, look no further. Elephants versus crocodiles. In the wild, elephants and crocodiles rarely see eye to eye. Elephants, the gentle giants, are protective, especially of their young ones. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are stealthy predators lurking in the water. But what happens when these two titans clash? If a crocodile threatens an elephant calf, the adult elephants don't hesitate to strike. With immense strength and powerful tusks, an elephant can flip and even crush a crocodile. It's a fierce display of nature's raw power and survival instincts. Next time you think of these magnificent creatures, remember, respect runs deep in the animal kingdom.